This is that once in a lifetime.
So for this recipe, you're going to start by mixing 1 cup of oats with 3 cups of water. Mix it together and let it sit for 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, you can go ahead and pour the soaked oats and water into a blender. I also added about 10 to 15 drops of liquid stevia and about 1 capful of vanilla extract. After that, go ahead and pop on the lid and blend it up for about a minute. Once fully blended, go ahead and pour the remains into your favorite nut milk bag and try your best to squeeze out as much liquid as possible. And you're done!